Hello, it's your boy Austin from technologyunplug.com. So today I want to show you how you can make a blog post right from your smartphone using an application, a WordPress application downloaded from your Play Store. So in my own case, I already downloaded WordPress in my phone. So I'm going to open that. So right here, when you access the WordPress application downloaded from your Google Play Store, in my own case, I already connected that to my website, dbdnews.com. So you want to make a new post to your blog website. You're going to click on blog posts. Okay. So these are the posts I already made. I can access them from the application downloaded from the Google Play Store. These are the posts I made previously. Okay. So now if you want to make a post, so you have to click on new, make a new post, which is the red icon that has a plus symbol in between it. This is the icon. So you create a post. Click that. Here you have title and also the body of the post. You have title, so let's make a title. For example, Donald J. Trump, the President of the United States, just visited the United Kingdom. So we have to write a post, a blog post about that. Okay, let's say Donald J. Trump. This is the title. J. Trump just touched down in the uh, United Kingdom. Okay, so this is the title. And then in the body of the post should be the story. Okay, Donald J. Trump in company of his wife Melanie just touched down in the United Kingdom. United Kingdom. This is for the sake of this tutorial. Then the second paragraph, you press enter, get to the second paragraph, and then okay, what next happened? Okay, a mouth watering backwards was arranged for the visits of the United States President Donald J. Trump's visits to the United Kingdom. So we are trying to create a body for the topic. Okay, United Kingdom. Then we have to make another paragraph to say what next happened. While in the United Kingdom, the US president, okay, also US president also the US president also met with the UK UK's okay Prime Minister Theresa May. So this is in the case of this tutorial. So after that, The next thing you want to do right here is to include a photograph in between anywhere you want in the body of this post. So let's say you want it at the top or in between or after the first paragraph. Then you have to go down. You see that the cursor is in between the first paragraph and the second paragraph. So what you have to do right here is to click on this plus icon found in between a round circle, okay, here. So you click that. So once you click it, you have pop up of photos right inside your phone, okay. So what you're gonna do right now is to search for the appropriate photo, okay. For the sake of this tutorial, we're not gonna use exactly that photo, but because we are just doing a tutorial, okay, let us use this photo, DBD news, okay. And then you select the photo you want to use in the posts, okay. So you see the photo is here. So after that, the next thing you want to do again is every post, okay, should fall in a category, okay. So what you want to do right now is to what? Assign your title or your post to a category. Like this post, Donald J. Trump just touched down in the United Kingdom, falls in world news, or let's say politics, okay. So to do that, to categorize this, you have to click on the three dots, okay, three dots in the upper right part of this application, which is here, okay. That is more options. When you click it, you're gonna have a drop down menu that has undo, redo, save as draft, preview, HTML mode, post settings. So right here, you're going to be concerned about the post settings, okay. So you click on post settings. Now you also have to concentrate on categories. You want to set the category where your post belongs. So you click on category, okay. Here we have in the case of dbdnews.com, we have African news, we have Africa, we have archive, we have breaking news, celebrity gist, entertainment, jokes and comedy videos, music news, Niger politics, Niger Gista, Nigeria, Niger Sport, Radar, and also science, sports, technology, world news, world politics. So the post we're about to make now falls on world news. So you have to what? Select world news. As you can see, it is there already. So that's it. After you're done, you go back and then also select tags. This tags is very important. It makes your post easy to be found. Okay, let's make tag Trump. You separate them with a comma, Trump, UK, United Kingdom. You separate with comma. You also okay, USA. You separate it. You can make as much as many tags, okay. So after you're done with tagging, you go back. The next thing you want to do is to set a featured image. The featured image is very important in WordPress, okay, because if you don't include a featured image, the image may not appear on your blog post, okay. So you have to set featured image. You go back and select this DBD news photo as the featured image, okay. You select that featured image, uploading media. Okay, the featured image is here. Okay, so we're done. So the next thing you do is, after you have done everything here, is to click publish, okay. On the upper right side of the application, you will see publish. You just click publish. It will ask you a question, ready to publish. This post will be published immediately, okay. So you have to click publish now. post published. Okay, so let's go to the front end of the website, and then let's see how the post we made looks like. Okay, you go to your browser, you type in dbdnews.com. Okay, dbdnews.com. Okay, we're here. Okay, Donald J. Trump just touched down in the United Kingdom, so you open it. Okay, so this is the news. Donald J. Trump just touched down in the United Kingdom. So this is the news. Donald J. Trump, in company of his wife, Melania, just touched down in the United Kingdom. That's the first paragraph we made. A Mount banquet was arranged for the visit of the United States President Donald J. Trump's visits to the United Kingdom. Okay, while in the United Kingdom, the US President also met with the UK's Prime Minister Theresa May. So this is how you make a post to your WordPress blog website direct from your phone using a WordPress application downloaded from your Google Play Store. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just take a few seconds to subscribe and also hit the notification button so you can get a notification whenever I make a new video. Thank you.